It's Shlomo here, and today I'm going to show you how to calculate your net worth when you have multi-currencies of investments or either debts or assets or any of those. How do you handle that when you're using Google Sheets? So this is a tool that I created for calculating your net worth, know how much you're worth, which I'm giving for people registering for my list. And I'm actually using a very similar spreadsheet for that, also with the different currencies because I have, with different currencies calculations, because I have different assets and different investments in different currencies. So what you need to do as first step is decide what's your main currency. So for Americans, it will probably be US dollars. For Europeans, it will probably be euro. For Australians, it will be Australian dollars, Canadian dollars. For me, this is Israeli shekels, so all my spreadsheet is in Israeli shekels. And this is a dummy data right here. And let's say that you have, hold on, let's reset this. Let's say it's here. So let's say that you have a PayPal account with British pounds. The symbol for that is GBP, and you need to calculate. You need to basically convert all your numbers here into dollars. So what do you do? So this is how you do it automatically using a Google Sheet formula, and this is the one. There it is. Okay, Google Finance, and then you're doing your parentheses and quotation mark. You write here currency, colon, and then this is an important part. So the currency that you want to go with, that you want to convert to, needs to come at the end, and you're using a pair of currencies. So we want GBP and USD, so that would be GBP USD, and then we're using a quotation mark and close the parentheses, and you'll see that it's loading the actual number right now. This means that every single British pound is equal 1.261 US dollars. Now we're not ending this yet here because we still have this account here, see, with the GBP, and we have 334 British pounds in that account. So we need to take the 334, so that will be equals times the number that we get here. So that would be this cell, and this is what it's worth. That's $421.17 for. Oh, this one doesn't matter. Now, you can do that with many other currencies, as I said. So if I copy that formula here, and I'll just change this from GBP, let's say, to euros, which the symbol is EUR, you'll get this. Okay, and you can do this for any currency and any pair. You can even do that for Bitcoin. Watch this. The Bitcoin symbol is BTC. And in this case, that will be $667.87 for one Bitcoin. And if I had any of these assets or any of these lines with Bitcoin, that would convert that to US dollars. And every month, what I do is that I have the rate here. So the rate obviously changes from one month to another. And this is how I get the accurate calculation of my net worth. So this is it for now. I hope you enjoyed it. That was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe on that red button here on the screen, and go to freefinancialself.com and register to the list. You'll get that spreadsheet. Thank you very much.